Hello guys. Let's know about 7 most beautiful migratory birds that visit India every year. Number 1. Amur falcon. These small, agile raptors are known for the remarkable long-distance migration. They travel from Siberia to northeast India, especially Nagaland and Manipur, making a breathtaking spectacle in the skies. Number 2. Bar-headed goose. Known for high-altitude migration over the Himalayas, these geese have distinctive black bars on their heads. They can be spotted in various wetlands and lakes across northeast India. Number 3. Black-nacked crane. Found in the high-altitude regions in Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir, these cranes are revered in Buddhist culture. Their distinctive black necks and red crown make them a prized sighting for bird enthusiasts. Number 4. Flamingos. Both greater and lesser flamingos migrate to India's coastal areas, notably in places like Mumbai's Siberian jetty, Gujarat's Kutch region and part of Tamil Nadu. Their vibrant pink plumage is a sight to behold against the water. Number 5. Ruddy shelduck. These ducks are easily recognizable by their bright orange plumage. They migrate to India, often seen in wetlands and marshes, including the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary and various Himalayan lakes. Number 6. Siberian crane. These striking white birds with black primaries are among the most endangered crane species. They visit India, particularly Kyoladio National Park in Rajasthan, during the winter months. Number 7. Steppe eagle. These majestic birds of prey migrate to India during the winter months, particularly in western and central regions. Their wingspan and impressive flight make them stand out as they soar over the landscapes.